Hello everyone, welcome to Hangul Technology. We are a one-stop manufacturing factory in China, offer everything from design to finished product. Let me walk you through our workshops quickly. First up is our mold assembly workshop. We have a design team of 5 professional mold engineers. Once the design is ready, all assembling and testing are done here to ensure precision. Next door is our mold warehouse. We have 3 storage zones in total, and every mold is developed in-house, led by our GM with over 20 years of industry experience. This is our zinc alloy die casting workshop. We operate 2 workshops, each equipped with 7 alkene machines ranging from 88 to 400 tons, meeting a variety of customers' requirements. Now, let's move to our CNC machining workshop with milling, turning, EDM, and wire cutting machines. We work with materials like zinc, aluminum, copper, and stainless steel, delivering both prototypes and mass production with high precision. Moving on, here's our sheet metal workshop. Our 350-ton stamping machine produces large parts, such as auto shells, refrigerator panels, and building brackets. We also have an injection molding workshop with 7 machines, making plastic parts as well as metal plastic assemblies. Last but not least, quality is our top priority. Here we run CMM checks, stress tests, stock spray, and surface coating tests to ensure every part meets the highest standard. That's our factory and one-stop service. If you have any project needs, feel free to contact us anytime. Let's turn your ideas into business.